In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate fake or random data instantly with the help of AI here in Google Sheets. So I've already shown you how to use Gemini into generating random data for you to practice on or whatever you want to do with that random data. And this time, I'm going to show you how to do it with ChatGPT. So let's say you don't have access to Gemini. That's okay. ChatGPT is another AI platform that will do the same thing for you for free. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to generate us some random data or some fake data that we can use to practice on different functions that we want or whatever we want to do with that random data. So let's get started. You're going to open a new tab and put in ChatGPT in the address bar, then press enter. So if you don't have a ChatGPT account yet, it's quite easy to sign up for, and again, it's free. So here we are. Once you're done signing up, then you can start with a new chat right here, and this is what it's going to look like. So we're going to enter a prompt right here. So it's quite simple, very straightforward. We wanted to generate a 15-row and 5-column table of random data about sales that you can use in Google Sheets. So if we press enter or click on submit right here, and here we have it. So here's the table that we can easily copy into our spreadsheet. So we have 5 columns and 15 rows. So if you do have some additional requests, you can add it here. It also has some suggestions, like if you want purely random numbers or formulas instead of fixed values, more rows or different rows, you can just tell ChatGPT. Anyways, I'm satisfied with what it has already created. And with this button right here, I can simply copy the table. So if you don't find that, it would usually be at the top right corner of the data that it has created. So click on that copy table icon. There we go. We have a check mark, meaning it has already copied the data. Then we can go back to our spreadsheet, select the cell where you want to paste it, right click and paste. Here we have it. Now, another trick here that you can quickly do would be to go to this option, the paste formatting, and select the option as paste as table. So it quickly turned that raw data into a table with just a few clicks. And there we have it. So we were able to successfully generate some fake data with the help of ChatGPT right here, then quickly paste it and turn it into a table on our spreadsheet. And there you have it. Now we can just rename this. So we're just going to rename it sales. We can change the color if we wanted to and adjust the size of the columns if we wanted to. So you can do whatever you want with your random data, practice on it, some functions that you wanted to try out. And that's how you can generate fake data instantly with the help of ChatGPT here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.